Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewer, today's paper is about effect of hydrogenated fat replacement with white sesame seed oil on physical, chemical and nutritional properties of cookies. Farhan Aslam is the lead author. Your sesame seeds oil has known antioxidant properties that may improve both nutritional importance and shelf life of the product. Three aims of the study were to: number one, examine nutritional value and physicochemical properties of white sesame seed oil (WSSO) and hydrogenated vegetable fat (HVF) cookies. Number two, compare the antioxidant potential of the cookies. And three, determine the effects of storage and treatment conditions on palatability of the cookies. The results of the study showed that the energy and fat percentage were significantly higher, P less than 0.05 in WSSO than HVF cookies. At 60-day mean moisture peroxide value and acidity were higher, P less than 0.05 in HVF cookies. Over time, protein and fiber percentage decreased significantly, P less than 0.05 in both cookies, but remained higher, P less than 0.05 in WSSO at 60 days. WSSO cookies had longer shelf life, greater palatability, improved physical properties, and greater antioxidant potential. Viewer, this article was published in Italian Journal of Food Science in 2018. I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.